Okay, I'm gonna put the vinyl brick on here. What you want to notice is that this part right here is going to be facing the front. So what you want to do is start putting your vinyl brick on top of here first. Then you place your side pieces in. Of course, that'll cover the corners of your bricking. Now, this plastic strip brick doesn't fold as properly. It breaks it up. It creates a white line through there. Now, if you plan on painting the brick in a different color, you can. You paint it a brighter red. This sort of a I don't know, not a darker red at all. You can actually paint this, and if you're gonna paint it, you can go ahead and fold it. But if you fold this brick without painting it, it's gonna show a white ridge across there, trying to fold this around these corners. So I would start out putting the brick on this side. Since this will be facing the front, I would place the next piece on top of that, then sand it down. Then I would carve in the rest of the bricks in. Okay, I have my brick upside down. I would place the contact cement on top of here and on here using the toothpick. Now, you don't have to last 30 minutes for like you would do on a larger surface. Just 5 minutes. Just wait 5 minutes before you put the two pieces together, since it's such a small piece. And you don't put a lot on there, so it keeps from the contact cement from eating through the this vinyl brick. Okay, now you just want to put a thin amount of contact cement onto your brick, onto your wood and brick. And on the bottom of your brick, make sure it's upside down now. you don't want to put it on the top of your brick. I made my brick a little bit larger than the chimney itself. You cut it down later, trim it later, because you want to be able to carve your brick in. Make sure you get enough on there. You don't want to eating it through this vinyl, or is it ABC plastic? I really don't know which one. I had to read what type of vacuum formed of. Is this plastic or vinyl? But I'm more like thinking this is vinyl. Now, all you do is wait 5 minutes, and this contact cement smells pretty bad, so you always keep it in a ventilated area. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. What you want to do is, you can do either way. You can put the chimney on top of the brick, or you put the brick on top of the chimney. But I'm going to put the brick on top of the chimney and start from one of the edges. But I did make it larger. I'm going to try to keep it square. Okay, what you want to do is take it and turn it upside down. Just rub it in. It's called varnishing. Okay, we'll do it one more time. As I'm doing the other side, make sure you have put thin coats on. All the way to the edge. Make sure you get the whole thing coated. Make sure you're doing make sure you're doing it on the bottom of the brick. Make sure you cover the whole brick, even if it's going even as it is overhanging, that you will be trimming it. This will soften the brick, this contact cement. So you make sure you make a thin coat. And you give it another 5 minutes. Okay, the way to remove this brick is with scissors. It's very easy. All you have to do is look, turn it upside down, turn it over, see where the line's at, take your scissors, and go straight down the line with it. Cut it right off. You take right there where the wood is at, cut it off. Right there where the wood's at, cut it off with the scissors. See how trim that is? How straight those edges are? That's cutting right off with the scissors. Okay, here's our chimney. How you like it? That's the top part of it. Very easy to work with. Okay, here's our matchsticks. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to use them for. I'm going to use them at the top part of the roof. Since these things are pretty square, they're good for the siding. You also use them for the siding on the top of the roof parts. I'll show you how it works. Okay, my roof is a 3/32 basswood. I got it from the Hobby Lobby. The 3/32 is the thickness. You get them about what's it, 4 inches by 24 inches in length and width. 4 by 24 inches in length, 4 inches in width. But here's the matchstick I'm gonna use. Use it to fill in this gap between the two roofs when I put the two halves together. Just put it right there. It's a full good length. It's cheaper than actually going buying wood from the Hobby Lobby or any other places. See, it just fits right in there for a perfect filler. Just cut off the head. Okay, also you can use these floral sticks to fill in the your gap in between your roof. You know, you had to cut these ends off, these pointed ends off. Make sure you find some square ones. You use either the matchstick or the floral sticks for your roofing to fill in the gaps of your roofing, of your roof. And also you can use it for edging.